Fish can cough. Yes, underwater, fish perform a reflex that's eerily similar to our own habit of coughing to clear debris from their gills. Imagine a tiny aquatic world where fish, in their silent underwater ballet, suddenly give a little shudder, expelling unwanted particles to keep those gills clean and functional. This fascinating behavior is crucial for their survival, ensuring they can breathe easily in their aquatic environment. Just like us sneezing or coughing to keep our airways clear, fish are constantly maintaining their gill health, showcasing an incredible parallel between land and sea. This little-known fact highlights the amazing adaptability and intricacies of life underwater, where even a simple action like a cough serves a vital purpose. So next time you see a fish, think of it not just as a swimmer but as a tiny, underwater custodian, performing its own version of a sneeze to thrive beneath the waves.